There are many career options for you to choose from apart from engineering. But if you're passionate about engineering and have decided to crack JEE, Amazon Academy is here to support you. We at Amazon Academy have put together a team of experts who will guide you and be with you at every step. Hi, I am Vipul Mehta. I teach chemistry at Amazon Academy. And I'll tell you what is unique about our mock test that can make a difference in your preparation.
In India, every year, some 10,000 odd students are selected for IIT out of the 12 lakh students appearing for JEE. These guys were selected not only because they worked hard, but they also worked smart. I'm Ashish Gupta, your physics teacher. Today, I'm going to tell you about how Amazon Academy will help you prepare smart and get that edge over competition.
Research on forgetting curve shows that within 1 hour, an average of 50% of the information learned is lost. Yes, that is true. And within 24 hours, you would have forgotten about 70% of the information learned. Imagine how much you would need to retain for an exam like JEE. So how do we go about it? Hi, I'm Nitesh Jakhad, your mathematics teacher. Today I'm going to tell you how systematic revision can help you retain better.
With Amazon Academy's deep analytics, we will help you identify the important topics from which majority of questions have been asked in previous years. For example, just 19 chapters out of 91 in JEE syllabus can help you score 100 plus marks in JEE Main. We help you learn and develop the right level of expertise in these topics to maximize scores. We have analyzed JEE Main papers over the last 10 years. Another interesting insight is that in every paper, almost 85% questions are of easy and medium level. So if you can attempt these questions with good accuracy, you can definitely improve your score.
To crack an exam like JEE, you have to be well prepared for the D-Day. And for that, you need mock test which will prepare you at the same level. Let's see how we do it. We estimate the question count from each chapter by analyzing the previous year question papers. In addition to chapter weightage, we ensure our mock tests are at par with JEE in terms of difficulty level, percentage of new questions, and cognitive skills. This is to ensure that you don't feel pressurized on the D-Day having practiced at the same level.
Since it covers the entire syllabus of class 11th and 12th, it is very natural to keep forgetting the concepts you learned some time back. According to Ebbinghaus forgetting curve, you must do a 15-minute revision at the end of each lecture. Then the very next day, you should again revise the previous day's lecture. If you do that, your brain will be able to retain up to 90 to 100% knowledge of that lecture. But this is not sufficient. You should again revise the concept at specific intervals over the next few weeks or months, depending on the time left for JEE. If you follow this revision schedule, your brain will retain the concepts better. But the question is, how to keep track of all these revision schedules? You don't need to. We will make a study planner and a revision schedule for you. Our lectures, our DPPs, our tests will be structured based on this principle so that you can maximize your concept retention.
During the lecture, you can clear your doubts via chat. After every lecture, there will be daily practice problems, and after every chapter is over, you can attempt practice modules and give chapter-wise tests to strengthen those concepts. After every chapter, there will be dedicated doubt sessions by the teachers.
As a teacher, the most satisfying thing for me is to see my students achieve their dreams.
Those moments when they call me to share their JEE ranks with excitement in their voice, it fills my heart with joy.
Thousands of students are already benefiting from Amazon Academy. So what are you waiting for? Come, join in, walk with us and gain that edge.